back at Table Mountain, first time this year, hoping to see some waterfalls.
Yeah, so Table Mountain's known for the wildflowers. We're a little early so far for the season for the wildflowers, but we're after a waterfall loop, and it is supposedly about 14 waterfalls that we could see. We're hitting it a few days after a good rain. Heard about this hike before. They always said that we needed a map, so Avenza Maps is where I found it. Wish us luck on the waterfalls. If we see any wildflowers, we'll shoot them as well. The entrance, getting started. And make sure you pay, so everyone over 16 needs a pass. End up being about $6, just under $6 each. Wish us luck on finding those 14 waterfalls. Here's number one. It's not labeled on the map, so I don't know if it counts. It's a small one. But it's a good sign because
There's water.
because there's water. There's supposed to be one more this way, so we're gonna wander this way and see if we can find it. All right, so they've done a good job updating these trails. So these used to never be here. We have fences now as well, making sure we stay on path. So Phantom Falls, we still got a mile. Beats and Falls we'll hit on the way back. Enjoying this view. 0.8 miles away from the parking lot, so almost made it a mile so far. So this was last year. There was a dead cow here. You can still see the boneyard of it. You want a cow bone? I'm sure it would be stinky. Bug. Caden just got attacked by bugs.
Yep.
It's a good one. This feels nice in the summer, but it's cold today.
It felt like a lot bigger hole last year.
Good stuff. Yeah, coming up to Phantom Falls, but we got a nice little patch of wildflowers here. And you can kind of see some on the distance there. We'll be heading that way. Don't see the waterfalls yet, so I'm hoping we're just too far out. All right, so here's Phantom Falls. Some iconic Phantom Falls photos out there. During heavy rains, there's a second waterfall running alongside. You can see the divot over here to climb down to get behind. There we go. So Caden's deciding to go the hard way. Rope is here to guide us down. I tell it, it's easier for me. I mean, I understand where it's slippery, what you're saying. All right, bottom of Phantom Falls.
Is the water soak all the way through? No, there's no way. It's like a noise.
We'll fall down that hole.
Just a tiny cave with the hole in it.
Tiny cave with a hole. With waterfall views.
Our first hotel spot.
Caden's on his ascent. You did it. This is the view. Mile marker here, so we're heading to Lower Ravine Falls next, and then looks like Beatson after that, and we're a half mile since we were at Phantom Falls. Let's keep going. but it's given us a good warning. Unfenced cliff ahead. I don't know how much it'll catch the GoPro, but there's Ravine Creek down there. We're hitting the unfenced cliff ledge. So I'm gonna pay attention. All right, heading up to Lower Ravine Falls now. Brand new waterfall for us.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Good company. Oh, the coordinates, nice.
Coordinates.
All right, 1 mile to Beatson Falls.
Somewhere.
It's the queen cow. Helicopter escort going to. There is Beatson Falls. Another new one. A lot of falls, 0.6 miles. Beatson Falls. That's another way to Beatson Falls. No, it's telling us the. Last landing. 0.1 Waterfalls.
Oh, that's kind of neat. I like
That
it.
is
I like it. Figured out why it's called Waterfalls.
cool.
Yeah.
This is worth coming to. Summer. Who's jumping in first?
It's not that hot.
Which I don't actually know. Adds a view. 4 hours and 18 minutes. Ranch Falls and Crevice Falls. Okay, Crevice Falls viewpoint here. Close-up version of Ranch Falls. Oh. Ooh. Alright, this is Coon Falls. This is the one that said dries up the quickest. That way. Alright. We cruising. Off in the distance, if you can see it over there, is Shermer Waterfall. Go off to the right a little bit. It's supposed to be Shermer Springs. I'm not sure what we're looking for though. See if we can find it. So this is Hollow Falls, or I think this is Hollow Falls. Because we're not to Little Hollow Falls yet. Oh yeah, this is private property, so yep, this is Hollow Falls. Coming up on Little Hollow Falls. .8 miles left, parking lot. We're counting this as our last waterfall. So we're back to the parking lot.
There's still an uphill battle.
There's still one uphill. What I thought was a 10-mile loop turned into 14.16 miles, 7.5 hours. How do you feel, Kate?
It's good.
Okay. Right there. We did it.